This eggnog, I've never tried their brand, and actually, to be honest, I'm a little bit, I love eggnog. Regular eggnog is fine. In Belize, we have something very similar called rompopo, and it's really, really good. And like it's made with rum, and so every time I try like the liquored up version of eggnog, I'm always expecting that taste, but it's slightly different. So I'm gonna try this with hopes that I like it, even if it's different. So yeah. I might as well do a grocery haul because I'm pretty much just showing you guys stuff that I'm about to chow down on. But this is a huge pumpkin pie for only $6 from Costco. I don't think I've had their pumpkin pie either, so I'll let you guys know how that is. But just feeling really fall-ish, really autumn-ish right now. So just getting in the swing of things for fall. Decided to pick up a pumpkin pie. I'd also like to mention that I am one of those Black people who prefer pumpkin pie over sweet potato pie. Don't come at me. The first sip, I'm gonna go ahead and try it as is. Not bad. Okay. Not bad at all, but because we are in the fall season, my favorite season now actually. I used to tell people because I'm from the Caribbean, summer, 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 love summer, 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 summer. No, it's fall. Fall fashion, fall weather, fall colors, just I love it all. So I'm gonna make this a little bit more fall-esque by adding some pumpkin spice on there and mixing it up. So just gonna add a little bit of pumpkin spice and mix it up. If I wasn't being lazy, I would have probably just threw this in a martini shaker. Probably would have got some kind of froth to it and a better mix than all these clogs of spice in here, but maybe I'll do it for the next glass if I want another glass. But this is the ghetto way, okay? I really like it. Yes, yes. Now that I'm done with the dough, this is what the finished product looks like. I just put a wet paper towel over it so that it doesn't dry out. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and tackle the salmon. I get it, like it's a large portion, so I kind of just cut it up into what we would typically have with our dinner. So that's what I'm about to do, and then I'm gonna put them, my dog is a mess. I'm gonna put them in Ziploc until I'm ready for it. Alright guys, so I've wiped down my counter, so my counter is clean. I have some mozzarella cheese that's gonna go with the Italian sausage that I just cooked down. And then I have some shredded chicken. This is chicken that I made tostadas with not too long ago. So I don't wanna waste food, just reusing some things that, just using it before it goes bad. And this is just some mozzarella cheddar cheese that I'm gonna use with the chicken, because I am making cheesy chicken stuffed, I almost said stuffed tacos. Cheesy chicken fried jacks and cheesy Italian fried jacks. I've never done Italian before, but I'm experimenting with, I've experimented with different cheeses before in fried jack, or eating it with fried jack. So I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. So this is what the dough looks like after it's been setting. It's not too dense, kind of light, and that's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and start balling out my fried jack while I have my oil over here heating. Needs to be at a great temperature, hot enough to fry, but not hot enough where it fries too quickly, otherwise it's gonna burn. So that's what I am about to do. I'm just gonna start rolling out my dough. I'm gonna do maybe 2 at a time, and then create more for, I only want 1. I'm gonna make 2 for the boys because I don't know when my bonus daughter is gonna get here, if she's even coming tonight. So let's go ahead and get this done. Guys, so oh my god, turn this off. I just got done putting up the leftovers, and that pie was bomb. It's so good, y'all. It's really, really good. But anyways, I'm about to take Lola out so that she can relieve herself and then get ready for bed, because I'm really, really tired. I did send an email out just outlining some of my points for this group presentation that we're doing on Monday. So I did get some schoolwork accomplished, and maybe before bed I'll get some Beauty and the Kinks work. Okay, so very simple outfit. Very simple PJs, black t-shirt, comfy PJ pants, and some fluffy socks. I'll decide whether or not I want to sleep in them, because it's not that cold in here to make me want to sleep with fuzzy socks right now. It's extremely comforting though, because I just got out the shower, so it's all warm and cozy. I'm gonna miss myself and my pillow with this spray that I got a few years back, but it's lavender, so you know lavender is good for helping you relax and sleep. So just gonna spray this on myself so I can smell good before bed, and then I'm gonna spray my pillow and take my butt to sleep. All right, good night guys.